Welcome back, my tangible people, to another dose of facts. I also want to start off by saying Happy New Year! Today we're talking about the top 10 best investment books of 2023 to get you rich. Before we start learning about these proven money-making gems, make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell to keep your knowledge elevated above the average, and also so you can be notified as soon as we post. Now that's out of the way, did you know that this year of 2023 is the best year to get into investments? And not just because it's on your vision board either. The real reason of this is because stock prices are at their lowest right now, and as a result, it's an excellent time to begin investing. For example, the S&P 500 is currently trading at its lowest level in years when measured by the ratio of stock prices to corporate earnings. If you're a net stock buyer, keep in mind that collapsing stock prices are a good sign because they allow you to buy more shares of the stocks you're interested in. Gem alert! My personal stock favorites that I'm currently invested in is Best Buy, American Airlines, and FedEx. Now let me provide you with the investments books to read to make you millions. Number 1. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. In his time, no one has done more for the individual investor than Jack Bogle. His book helps individual investors see why they should invest in and hold broad-based index funds. When it comes to long-term returns, very few people can outperform the market. Number 2. Unshakable by Tony Robbins. In this book, Tony Robbins lays out a comprehensive step-by-step plan for becoming financially secure and free. Whether you are an employee, self-employed individual, or business owner, he also discusses diversification, avoiding panic, when to buy, when to sell, and what to invest in. Number 3. The Intelligent Investor. Many big-time investors vouch for this read's success. For example, this book has been referred to as the Ultimate Bible by Warren Buffett. It aims to teach you how to become an all-around experienced investor in any asset class you want to perfect, such as stocks, real estate, currency markets, options, futures, and so on. Number 4. The Book on Rental Property Investing by Brandon Turner. The book on rental property investing teaches smart buy and hold real estate investing strategies for creating wealth and passive income. Brandon explains how to be a successful investor in real estate. It's written in a format so well that it's appropriate for both beginners and experts. Number 5. The Millionaire Next Door. The Millionaire Next Door demonstrates that with a disciplined budget and a desire to improve their financial life, anyone can become wealthy over time. We can learn a lot from this book, and it can be sometimes difficult to change our lifestyles and habits, even if it turns out that our current consumption, saving habits are not making us millionaires. For example, you may have a difficult time after reading this book and changing the habits of all family members so that everyone will become frugal and thus increase the chances of millions. Number 6. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book, for example, assists in positively shifting your brain and opening your eyes to the bigger picture. He discusses how the school system does not teach anyone about money and how they train almost everyone to be employees. This is one of my favorite reads. Because of this book, I've altered many different thoughts about the world we live in. Number 7. The Warren Buffett Way. The Warren Buffett Way delves into Buffett's investment strategies and practices. It is an excellent read, and there is no better place to learn more about Warren Buffett and his investment strategy. It was first published in 1994, but it has been updated to ensure that the contents are still relevant today. Number 8. The Richest Man in Babylon. This book really helps explain in detail how to save money and use it to make more money. This book is written in the form of a real-life story to teach beginning investors how to take control of their finances and begin getting out of debt while also setting money aside to build savings. Number 9. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. In this book, Malkiel emphasizes the long odds that investors face when attempting to outperform the market. In the book, he's focusing on ways to cut costs through the use of low-cost investments such as index funds. Number 10. Jim Cramer's Getting Back to Even by Jim Cramer. Released in 2009, one of his most recent is just this. The book explains the key for investors is to develop the investing skills he recommends without actually purchasing the stock ideas he throws out every night. This book is written in plain English for investors looking for a solid set of investing rules. Alright, my tangible people, that's it for the top 10 best investment books of 2023. Now that you're on the way to riches, don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can be the first to know when we post next. Also, don't forget to shout us out when you make it to the Forbes list. Please comment in the comment section on what you want to see next. See you next time!